Good morning, welcome to ABC 123 Trader. Today is June 6, 2023. It's 8 minutes before the open. And we'll start taking a look at the NASDAQ futures today. Checking in, the markets are just flat down. Oil dropped big time. 10-year note, just holding on. Just reading some of the news, and it just drives me crazy. SEC sues Coinbase over exchange and staking programs. Stocks dropped 22% pre-market. They really don't want the little guys to make any type of money or their own financial planning. It just drives me crazy. Why would you sue on a staking thing? You know, because the stock markets are not happy. Who knows? Anyways, that's my beef for today. So let's see what else is there. May lose food. Massive amount of water surge through Ukrainian dam. Stock making pre-market moves. There's nothing really. Halfway through, still can't agree on earning outlook. Okay, so whatever. Yeah, whatever. And let's see if there's anything crazy today. Economic optimism. Okay, whatever. And nothing there we know. Today is 6. Let's just double check. Commercial paper selected interest rates, and we know the Fed's not there. Okay. Now let's get going into... let me see here. Oh yeah, we'll start looking at a couple of charts and away we go. And now one of the interesting thing about this chart here, and we have a, if you look at the multi-swing, we have a huge support and resistance zone here. As you could tell yesterday, I did my 5-second trades here to show you the example, and away we went. Hits the peak around, of course, probably top of the hour. No, it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon, then crashes till for an hour and a half. You can see they're trying to push their way up. We do have support here, and or support and resistance in both zones. So let's just region this one. If she crashes, that's your key point there. We got to break that zone. And if she takes off, of course, you know it's got to break this zone. Other than that, everything is in between. We could get a little small spike, but you could tell there's a lot of bouncing back and forth. So we got to fight through all this. And this is where it would have been your buy trade if you were using the see it through indicator. We were breaking through. You would have bought here at probably top or 9 o'clock, and away you go. So we got that all set up. We got our 2 zone areas. Let's check what our volume is overnight. So started from here to here. So volume point of control is at 89. So let's just put another volume point of control is right there. Come on, let's go. Boom, away we go. And that's all we need to know for now on this one. Very tight range for volume. And so we got 10 green, red. Looks like market's trying to push up, but I have doubts that it might just hit this way and then crash. Or it could be bouncy right now. We're right below the VWAP. We have fib targets 1, 2, and 3 pushing down. We do have support level and some markings there, but if she breaks, she breaks. And perfect, we got one nice beautiful order block that we'll use. So we're going to put this little range here. And anything else? Support 1, 2, and 3. So we got some big movements here. It looks, and that's about it on that side. And see if we can do a 5-second trade. Go to complete none. And as you know, this is one area that we have to figure. Oh, was that the? Let me just double check on my chart here. That was the big one here. So let's just tighten this up. Let's tighten that up there. Let me just give it a second. Why would it be above? That doesn't make sense. Oh, maybe I should focus on my chart. Boom. Squeeze that down. There we go. There we go. And I'm also going to change the color for now, so I know that's what we need to break. Good enough. That's the one we need to break, guys. Okay, so if we break that, then we can start looking at a shorting opportunity. Okay. And so what we're going to see it does work well, just give it some time. And what we'll also do, I didn't take a look at the, let me just do a really quick, create a new chart here just really fast. I just want to check day for now, and we'll work our way down. Well, not week. Let's go day, just really quick. I'm not even going to add it. So it looks like we're topping up, so it looks like we get a good pull back to 14,000 if it really works. 240 bar pushing down. Okay, 60 minutes push down. Oh yeah, look at the consolidation here. So what we'll do is we'll put another range. You can tell where the range is. There's one here and one here. Let's go control 3 first. Let's see where this range is. Oh, it's way up there. Interesting. Control 3. Let's go from the next pop. Yeah, right about here, 14,668. Okay, so let's do this really quick. Let's put a little zone there, and we're good to go. Now, back to the chart. Okay, we're already at that bottom crack, so let's go like this. I'm going to go sell market, and if I see it really pop really quickly on the sell side, I'm going to go for it, and then we can go from there. We got 50 seconds, and then maybe we can hit 65, 60, 50, 50. So we have to see if we hit the 50 mark here, unless if she pops up really quick. This is the old market open, and we'll find out right away. It might just go the opposite direction, then we'll just reverse it right away. So we've got 30 seconds, and we'll find out. And then also I should do this. Let me turn this off so I can move this thing across. And yeah, we had a lot of sell volume. And we'll go from there. We'll find out in about 10 seconds. I'll look at the first few seconds, see if we can get that. Looks like it really wants to push, and then we could be done. Let's see what color the bar is.
Order filled.
Now let's see if we can get a few points. 5. Come on. 6, 8, 7, 9, 10.
Order filled.
That's your first trade of the day, and basically I'm done. And that's all I want to show you guys. This is the key about the 5-second chart. And we just hit support and resistance, and then I'll just show you one little trade, and you're done within 5, 10, 15, 20, about 30 seconds. And you can keep on doing that over and over and over again. So there we go. So you can tell volume's pushing down. We hit this. We could keep on going. Slope is going down. And because you're just taking the first impulse, really strong impulse move. And look at that. That was 10 points. I tried to stop because of, let's actually see where I did hit. Text marker. So I just got in the first 5 seconds. I said it's pushing down. I went down here and I broke this first zone. And this is the reason why I chose that zone. This is a 50, a psychological level, and it really actually pushed way below it. And it's probably going to go to the 25 now. But now it's a hardcore sell-off. So now I would have to wait for a bounce back. Other than that, just if you have any questions, email me at abc123trader. Just make sure you pinpoint your trades, trade safe, and you guys have a great day. Take care. Bye.